SUNCREAT sent us their convertible hanging chair for our review, and I literally just took everything out of the box, laid it down on the table, and I'm about to assemble it. And I was kind of super surprised to just find that this is the only hardware that comes with it, meaning everything else literally assembles within itself and locks into place. There's no screwing, there's no hammering, there's no tools required, which for me is a huge thing. The other thing that I love is the fact that out of the box they actually put these caps on to protect that, that pin, because you don't want that to be broken in, you know, once it arrives, and that's protected like that. And like I said, everything literally slides in and locks into place. And it's so easy to follow the instructions, because I will show you exactly the instructions right here. This is it right there. Step 2, put D into E, put C into E. It's literally, look at these big D's and E's, and all the letters are there. You just follow it. It's not a lot of pieces on top of that. And it's a dual function. So you can actually have it wide for a hammock position, or shorter, or you know, narrower for a swinging hanging chair type of thing position. And they do provide you with both really nice material. Let's put it together. Let's see what it looks like when it's all assembled. Well, I think we're comfortable. This took me 5-6 minutes to put together. Again, no tools required, no everything just fits into place. It's actually really wild the way it's built and the way the balance works with it. I'm not the lightest person in the world, of course, and I'm swinging just like a real hammock. This is the position number 1. I feel like this is the position that me and Walter, our little Frenchie, will be enjoying for a while. This is so comfortable. I didn't think it would work like this, and I'm so pleasantly surprised. Right? Are you, bud? Yeah. This is amazing. Let's check out the chair position. I want to see that one too. So I just wanted to make sure that you guys understand how easy it is to go from hammock, the position I was just in, into the chair position. All you need to do is fix that inclination. How do I get to this position? Let's check that out. So this is for the hammock, longer inclination. All you need to do is twist this and twist it open, just like that, and look at that. Gets into locking position. Now I'm already up. I want this hook to be outside. All I need to do is, again, same thing. Now it's outside, and I'm ready for the chair position. And let's not forget the E-bar position. All of this has to get shorter. So all you need to do is pop that in. Look at that, perfect. Same thing with this one here. Pop that in. Boom, we are ready. And now I've got my hanging, swinging chair in this case. You can literally go a little higher. I would probably want to go to the very top. And speaking of very top, I had the hook on the outside. You don't need to have it on the outside. It's actually preferable to have it on the inside. It makes it a lot more manageable. So both hooks on the inside, super easy to go in and out, super sturdy, very comfortable, and you can swing and relax. And when you're done and you want to go back to the hammock position, literally it will take you roughly a minute, maybe 90 seconds to open it back up and then change the fabric into the hammock one. It's awesome.